Me, I'm Fish. Welcome to my show. Well, I didn't go far today. Here I am. And man, I'm happy to see a new product from GoPro release 2 on 9/14/2024. A Hero and a 13 Black. Improvements to the camera, cosmetically, but everybody wanted to see a bigger and better sensor to the camera. Well, they're offering it pre-order and all these videos are out. If a camera today was just offered pre-order, how could all these videos be put out? And who can you trust in these reviews? Well, we all know this is sales marketing from GoPro. They were told to release at Pacific time, 6 a.m., which is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And many people out there went out and they purchased their Hero 12s because they got a good deal, and the deal kind of went off again. Well, the GoPro Hero 13, I looked at the specs. It did not interest me to update my Hero 10 Black. It does a nice job the way it is. I had a ton of bugs and issues at the beginning when I got my camera, and I shared it to the world on the forum I run. How old is the Hero 10, you say? It's got GPS, it's got the 4K, which I like. It's got 5K, it's got the high bit rate. It's got everything I like. It does live streaming. It's a 0.5 inch sensor. Works out perfect for my needs. I don't need to get something bigger, better, and better. The 1.19 sensor, I don't think it's any better than the 1/2 inch sensor. I don't see the difference in my eyes. I'm holding off for what DJI has to release on the Osmo Action 5 Pro that they're calling. Insta Ace Pro 2 is rumored to be released. I don't have an interest in Insta 360 side. Oh man, I got a bee hanging on the camera. And I'm more interested in the way DJI works with the Insta on after you start up. But I'm not going to be updating anytime soon for the reason of all my products, my cameras are updated. I have an Action 4, I have a Pocket 3, and I have a Sony ZV-1 Mark II and a DJI Mic 2. I'm very pleased with the quality, the craftsmanship, and how things work. I don't need to keep updating year after year after year. November 2023, we came out with the new camera. I got mine about March, April, I can't remember. And it's not a year old. Why do I gotta update? Time for me to get on out of here and go enjoy the rest of my day. And maybe go check out some GoPro Hero 13 sales and then see who I like in YouTube to watch a video. And I may ask my question, does it have what DJI Osmo Action 4 has after you start up and shut off? The Insta Start. Have a great day. Oh, I took a bicycle here.